The artificial intelligence in farming. Agriculture has always been the backbone of human civilization, providing food, raw materials, and livelihoods to billions of people. In the modern world, as the global population continues to rise and the demand for food increases, farmers face significant challenges such as climate change, water scarcity, pest outbreaks, and limited resources. To address these issues, artificial intelligence (AI) is emerging as a transformative tool in farming, revolutionizing traditional agricultural practices and shaping the future of food production. Role of AI in farming. AI technology helps farmers collect, process, and analyze large amounts of agricultural data. With the use of sensors, drones, and satellite imagery, AI systems can monitor soil health, predict weather conditions, and assess crop growth. This data-driven approach allows farmers to make smarter decisions, reduce waste, and maximize productivity. Precision agriculture. AI enables precision farming by providing accurate insights into soil quality, moisture levels, and crop health. Automated machines and AI-powered tools can deliver the right amount of water, fertilizers, or pesticides exactly where needed, reducing costs and minimizing environmental harm. Pest and disease detection. One of the biggest threats to crops is pest infestation and plant diseases. AI-based image recognition systems can detect early signs of plant stress, pests, or infections through photos taken by drones or smartphones. By identifying problems early, farmers can take timely action and prevent major losses. Smart irrigation and resource management. AI supports efficient water use through smart irrigation systems. By analyzing weather forecasts, soil conditions, and crop requirements, AI systems optimize irrigation schedules, saving water while ensuring healthy crop growth. Predictive analytics and yield forecasting. AI algorithms can forecast crop yields based on data from past seasons, weather conditions, and farming practices. This not only helps farmers plan better but also assists governments and food industries in managing supply chains and food security. Autonomous farming machines. Robotics and AI are introducing self-driving tractors, harvesters, and drones. These machines can plant seeds, monitor fields, spray crops, and even harvest produce with minimal human intervention, reducing labor costs and increasing efficiency. Benefits of AI in farming. Higher productivity, better crop monitoring and resource management lead to increased yields. Cost efficiency, optimized use of water, fertilizers, and labor reduces overall expenses. Sustainability, AI helps promote eco-friendly farming practices by reducing chemical overuse and conserving resources. Food security, improved forecasting and precision farming ensure a steady food supply for the growing population. Challenges of AI in farming. Despite its benefits, AI adoption in farming faces hurdles such as high initial investment, lack of digital literacy among farmers, and limited internet access in rural areas. Addressing these challenges is crucial to making AI accessible and affordable for all farming communities. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence in farming is more than just a technological trend, it is a necessity for the future of global agriculture. By combining traditional farming wisdom with modern AI-driven innovations, humanity can achieve sustainable food production, overcome agricultural challenges, and ensure food security for generations to come. AI is not replacing farmers but empowering them to become smarter, more efficient, and environmentally conscious food producers.